Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechPod Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So it's been a very productive day, as you guys could see. On Tuesday, I had a little bit over an $1,800 day. Today, Thursday, September 20th, I closed a little bit over $1,600. I'll show you guys my profits in just a little bit. I'm going to really just try to talk about and recap kind of like what led to my success. It's really just the stock that I traded today. It's TNDM. It's the one that I traded on Tuesday. It's the one that I traded yesterday, and it's the one that I'm trading today. And I have a position that I'm going to be. I don't have any open position right now. I have a limit order to get back in. I'm going to talk a little bit more about it, why I want to re-enter, and stuff like that. Again, I want you guys to know that whatever it is that I talk about today, in no way is any stock suggestion. Please do not trade based on my opinion. Everything that I talk about is just based on my understanding, in my opinion, and you should never invest based on that. I really hope that you guys learned something new, and if you guys do, we'd really appreciate the thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out for making my day. For all those that tuned in to my free live trading. So today we hosted my first ever. So I go live every single day with the Learn Plan Profit group, and they get to watch me trade live every day, right? I've never done it for free, nor have I ever done it for such a vast number of people. Today we hosted my first ever live free trading. And again, if you want access to that, if you're part of the TechPod Solutions Discord chat, it's under the announcement section. You could rewatch the live stream. Did a couple live trades, traded TNDM, talked about why I saw value in it. I really only captured a small piece of the pie in comparison to like everything that it really had to offer. I'm just going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. So this is TNDM, as you guys can see, based on where it closed at yesterday and how it pushed up today. I'll show you guys how much it is that I'm up. So as you guys can see, 1,625 shares, $1,625 is what I was able to lock in today. My average position was anywhere from around 300 upwards to 600 shares of TNDM. So you guys can do the math on how much it was that I was trading with. If I'm not mistaken, it was like at most about $26,000. So I tried to stay in between $15,000 to $25,000. Right now, I see TNDM getting rejected by this EMA line, heading to this SMA indicator, which previously acted as a support. I'm giving it a little bit of cushion for it to potentially bounce off of this middle VWAP, and that's when I'm looking for a re-entry. So just to keep it very simple, how is it and why is it that I saw value on TNDM? Very simple. We saw it actively trending up during pre-market hours. I called it out. I locked in profits right away. So if you're part of TechPod Solutions and if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, I showed my profits like during pre-market hours. It was about like 5:30 my time, and I locked in about like $635 on the day, right? I continued to trade it. I went live with the Learn Plan Profit group. They got to see me trade, and I locked in a little bit over $1,100. I went live with the free trading right after that, and I closed a little bit, nearly $1,300. And then I was just hanging out with the guys, planning out our day. I'm actually going to be buying a new car today for the house, I was taking a couple trades and it ended up playing in my favor. I was able to bring up another $300 profit on top of where I was at around the 1,300. So all I was doing was I really liked three characteristics about TNDM. First of all, we could see that it was being very bullish on the day. It was trading in between the EMA and the top VWAP. Honestly, it was not even trading off of the middle VWAP. All it was doing was trading between the EMA line and the top VWAP, showing signs of it being very bullish. Peaked out, we called it out. I was talking to Justin, we locked in profits, it sold off, walked away from it. It's pulling back and it hasn't showed signs of a full-on reversal. As you guys can see, for those that tuned into my live stream, why am I taking a 400 share position if I normally take 500 to 700 shares? Is I do an average up approach. It's my style. It doesn't mean that you have to do that. And stuff like that. So the reason that I plan on entering again with TNDM is this is my personal preference, and in no way, again, is this any reason for you to invest in it. But I would like to take a swing trade position on TNDM. I think it offers, a lot of swing trade potential. I like its overall direction with the 180-day analysis and the continuous uptrend pattern. I like the sell-off it created because we talked about it today. The more that it sold off, the more marginal profit that it had to recover because of its overall direction that it kind of, is heading. And it broke above the EMA indicator today, had a couple pullbacks. The MACD and the RSI are all something that I find personally very attractive. That is my preference and that is my opinion. tomorrow it could pull back all the way down to $40 and I'll be at a loss. And that's something that I'm okay with because my position size and the potential for profit in my eyes outweighs the potential for loss. And I just want to share that with you guys. That's really just it. I don't want to overcomplicate it. I don't want to, that's really just it. I kept it very simple. For those that got to watch me trade live, you guys saw that all I was doing was buying the peaks, selling or buying the dips, selling the peaks, and I was trading off of the MACD indicator a lot today. So every time that I saw it overextended, I would use the MACD indicator on when to lock in profits. When I saw it really hitting a resistance, it sold off. Being able to see the bottom and then buy back in again and again, sell at the peaks. I feel like TNDM performs very nicely and reacts very nicely to the MACD, at least at its current state, and that's something that I find very attractive. I want to personally congratulate not only those that killed it on TNDM, there's a couple other stocks that ended up performing exceptionally well today, and one of those was ticker symbol UGAS. We've been talking about UGAS. UGAS pushed up almost 10% on the day, opened in the green, bounced off the SMA and just had an amazing day. Closed, really the opportunity within the day that you were able to take advantage of was about 8%. Even if you were able to capture 5% of that, I had people that shared again with me today that they closed a little bit over $1,000 profit today. We had a couple people hit their first $100 day, and it's just so amazing. So again, just kept it very simple, focused on whatever was actively trending up. And I did unfortunately see a couple people talking about the TRLY pullback, or what is it? TLRY, right? It sold off another 20%. Everyone was trading this one yesterday. Everyone and their brother was just talking about this one. Again, it's a momentum stock. It pulls back like no other. And I've talked about this one multiple times. There's a reason that I personally, don't like talking about it. I don't encourage, especially newer traders that are not familiar with how to momentum trade, to probably stay away from it. Again, that's just my 2 cents. You guys do whatever it is that you guys please. I see so much more value in focusing and investing in patterns in which you understand. It just doesn't make sense to me that if you're really having trouble understanding what it is that you're investing in, then why even force it with these momentum trades? I know, and some people made an absolute killing. I get it. It's just my style. I'm a little bit more conservative. I try to focus on more realistic growth and a little bit more consistent. It works well for me. I'm just sharing what it is that I can, and that's really just it. So I think people are saying that there's an echo. I'm sorry, I'm in my room right now. So hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better now. That stream is ending now, so I guess it's not too much of a help. But I just wanted to wish you guys an amazing Thursday. Thank you guys again so much for your time. And if you guys, again, you guys definitely don't have to. We do offer a free group. It's TechBud Solutions. We run the largest YouTube channel for those who invest in the stock market. It's this one that you're at right now. We're almost at 350,000 subscribers. So thank you guys again for that. We also do run the largest private trading community called TechBud Solutions. We have a little bit over 155,000 members. It's that third link in the description, if I'm not mistaken. It's that free Facebook group. Feel free to join. You could always leave if it's not something that you want to be a part of. And then the last thing that I want to say is if you've ever been interested in joining Learn, Plan, Profit, that's the private course group. You get to watch me trade live every single day. You get to work with me and speak to me on a daily basis. I would encourage you, again, just one step. All you have to do is you don't have to click the first link in the description. You join TechBud Solutions, so join the third link, right? Once you get accepted to TechBuds, click the link to join our Discord, and then once you get to our Discord, you'll be at our TechBud Solutions Discord, right? Under the announcement section, I posted this live trading video. This is the free trading that I offer today. If you click on that video and you watch the entire video, I offer this promo, $75 off for those that watch the entire video. They watch me trade. They kind of get a taste of what those within Learn, Plan, Profit get to experience every day. And there's a $75 off coupon, and it's also provided for you in the description of that video. So if you've ever been interested, the coupon's only for the first 20 people. I think we have like 2 or 3 spots left. It's up to you guys. You 100% don't have to enroll. If it's something that you would like to be a part of, we would love that opportunity. If you've been looking for the biggest sale, then that's going to be the biggest sale that we're going to offer. So just wanted to thank you guys again for your time. Wish you guys an amazing Thursday. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.